baby. You're all right. You're all right. You're all right. Hey, hey, you're okay. You're okay. You're all right. Yep. That's what I was worried about happening. See it? That leg's been severed.
Yeah, the leg's about to come off.
Yep. All right, baby. You're fine. You're fine. Hey, whoa. Okay, you're gonna come with us. Okay, okay. Hey.
We gotta take this one in. Good job, Kayla.
You're okay. I know, baby. I know. I know, baby. I know. It's okay.
He's in bad shape.
You're all right, baby. You're all right. It's okay. I got you. You're all
We're gonna take you in, baby.
right. Okay. Yeah, that's gonna have to come off.
He's gonna lose that leg, ain't he?
Yeah, I'm worried about it bleeding out. Yep. Oh, you'll be okay. You're all right. You'll be okay. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. Yeah, you're okay. You're all right, baby girl.
Okay, guys, I know we do dog rescue, but we got called about this duck, and me and Kayla's been out here. Kayla was managed to snag it, and she's already put a tourniquet on it. It's about to lose its leg.
It's a Muscovy hen.
Okay.
It's okay, baby. Yeah. It's a domestic breed.
It's a domestic breed, so we can't get the wildlife people to take it. But she's already cut the fishing line off. That's where the fishing line was, right there.
It's just barely hanging on.
Well, we were trying to find a place to get this duck into a rehab so it can get medical attention. And we come back out to the truck. She's not in her cage.
Her name's Houdini.
We're gonna call her Houdini because she's about missing a foot, and she's sitting in the inside of my truck now. So get Kayla to stick that little girl back in her cage.
Okay, I got you.
Let me get the door for you.
You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. How did you get out? Oh, I see. She got that back part to fold down.
How in the heck? Oh my goodness. The back part folded down.
Yep, she got that back part to fold down.
I was wondering how in the heck did she get out?
Okay, that's your spot right there. That's your spot. You still got your rope on? Yeah, it started bleeding.
Well, we have to travel with her now. We have a
rescue for her.
A rescue for her, but it's gonna take us a little bit to get there, a little bit of traveling. Hang in there, baby. Where I put it on, there it is.
This is a topical solution. You know, it can deaden the, let's see if we can get some underneath there. Let me flip it around.
Just tell me how you need me to move it.
Yeah, that way. There you go. Maybe that'll numb it some, and let me get some of this injectable here.
I'll move ahead. Well, maybe I should leave that on.
It's a little bitty needle, so.
She's lucky it was below the knee.
Oh, yeah. Oh, great. There's my cat.
Oh, my God.
What is it?
This is the same duck I pulled the hook out of its foot before.
Really?
Are you serious?
I'm dead serious.
Wow.
Right there.
Wow.
What are the
chances that many ducks are? Oh, there were so many ducks.
Yeah.
We didn't know.
Oh, it took us forever to find her. We had to start at the front of the park and work back.
Right.
That's the same one.
Let's see. Does she have any reaction here?
Mm-mm. Oh, she felt that.
Yeah.
I know. Lidocaine burns a little. It's okay though. It'll start feeling good here in a minute.
If she felt that, she'll feel me cutting it off.
Mm-hmm. She needs a good clean bath too. She's covered.
I did that backward now. Hopes by tomorrow even, at least. I don't want to stress her out too bad.
I know,
I've numbed it a little, so I couldn't numb it inside. I'm afraid of hurting her more. You know, she's probably done gotten used to this pain. I don't want to hurt him any more than I have to.
watch it. You're just gonna tame right down.
She's wrapping the foot now because amputation, she said that
She's bleeding too much.
Bleeding too much. It was a main artery.
Good girl. See? Yeah. Yeah, good girl. Yeah, this will just stabilize her until...
Right.
Yeah.
Well, even if she wants to mess with this stuff, it shouldn't come off. I'm wrapping it pretty good.
She's a good little hen, aren't you? You're just a good girl. Okay. Yeah.
That'll stay.
I'm gonna throw this up right here, though. Okay, there. Your vent's free. Yeah, good girl.
Now let's free that leg a little bit. There we go. You said her vent's free?
Yeah, yeah. It's clear.
Is it clear? For sure, for sure?
Yep.
Okay. Now, let's just...
I know, you're not